Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so in math, we are still talking about shapes. And I have a very cool book I want to read with you, and it's called All About Shapes. So there's a place I lift the flaps also inside of each page. So it'll be pretty cool to read. Now on the cover, I see a shape right here. This is a balloon. What shape is this? A star. Good. What about this? We know it's not just a circle, it's a sphere, right? Yeah. And this is a what? A triangle shape, but we know it's really a cone. Okay. Very cool. Okay. And here's the title page. All About Shapes by Debbie McKinnon. All about circle shapes. My birthday cake is a circle shape. The party plates are circle shapes too. Wow, that's a lot of circles, isn't it? I have a stool like that here. It's not the same color, but it is a circle on top. She even has circles on her top. How funny. Oh, look at all those circle things. Point to some more circle shapes. Do you see them? What shapes are hiding in my hand? Oh, let's see. Oh, circle shapes. Oh, look, buttons. Very cool. Oh, wow. All about square shapes. The puzzle I am doing is a square shape. My table is a square shape too. Oh, that's a pretty table, isn't it? And his puzzle has dinosaurs on it. That looks very, very pretty. It's like a placemat or something. Point to some more square shapes. What do you see there? I see something that is not a square shape. I see two things that are not square. Do you see them? I see a circle and a triangle. What shapes are hiding in my hand? Ah, square shapes. They have numbers on them too. Very cool. Like tiles or something. All about triangles. The sails on my boat are triangle shapes. The wrapping paper has blue and yellow triangle shapes on it. Wow. Point to some more triangle shapes. Oh, tonight I had pizza, and my pizza was in a triangle shape. Yeah, I just now realized that. What shapes are hiding in my hand? What do you think? Oh, I think I've had these before. It's like a little snack food. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Like a cookie cutter. One of those things on that page was a cookie cutter. Did you see it? Looked like it. Maybe something you put in Play-Doh. Yeah. Now those Legos didn't look triangle shaped though, did they? No. All about rectangle shapes. My painting is a rectangle shape. My box of paints is a rectangle shape too. Yeah. Point to some more rectangle shapes. Oh, that's not a rectangle, is it? No. I see a yellow star. It's not a rectangle. Very cool. What shapes are hiding in my hand? Oh yeah, these are rectangles. Dominoes. Yeah, I forgot about those. All about star shapes. My cushion is a star shape. I have star shapes on my nightie too. That's a shape. Point to some more star shapes. Oh, looks like she has a little magic wand and a gift bag. And maybe a cookie cutter or for Play-Doh maybe. Looks like those are candles. There's a star on that ball. Very cool. What shapes are hiding in my hand? Oh, these are cool. These are little jewels. Yeah, star shapes. Okay, what shapes can you see? Well, what do you see? A star, and what else? You see a star, a circle, a square, a rectangle, a triangle, yeah. Okay, so what are the different shapes that we talked about in this book? They had, the first one was a circle, right? The circle, okay. And then the next page was squares. And the next page, triangles. Triangles have 3 sides. A rectangle, a star, and that's it. So what I want you to do is to see if you can find, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those were 5 shapes. If you can find 3 of those shapes at your house, a star, a circle, a square, a rectangle, and a triangle, okay? Pick any 3 and see if you can find something. Now, my house, I have a rectangle. Of course, I have a book, a Dr. Seuss book, yes. Then, my circle is the lid to my water bottle. Stars are kind of hard to come by. I don't really have much that's really a star shape. And triangles, we just don't seem to have a lot of things. I could bring up my piece of pizza and show you. Although it wasn't really cut, and so I had to kind of pull it apart. It wasn't cut very well. So it doesn't really look like a triangle right now. Let's see, and a square. I showed this the other day. My calendar. Of course, it's puppy dogs. This is a square. So there's things that we have around our house that we can start noticing. And that's wonderful because we want to start noticing the shapes around us and how we make those shapes, how we put those shapes together. Okay, guys? You're doing great learning about shapes. Okay, now in our homework today is ordering by size. It's the page over here, and it's on the top and the bottom. You don't need one of them. So you can just cut the other one off and color it and glue it wherever you want, or just leave it there. It doesn't matter, okay? So you don't need both of them. Just pick one and you cut it off and use it. And then you'll see, if we look a little closer, it says AAA, BBB, CCC, and then DDD, okay? So those 3 pictures, you will put, see all the ones that are A pictures, you'll put in size order, depending on which one is the smallest, and then medium, and then the biggest. So if we look back at the A pictures, we have a mouse, a house, and a bed. Which one's the smallest? The mouse, good. Which one's the medium size? The bed. And which one's the biggest? The house, good. And that's the same thing you do with each row, okay? So I want you to color, cut, glue. Color, cut, glue. That's your job. So family, you may have to trace it with a yellow highlighter or marker so they know where to cut, because cutting is what they need to do to practice fine motor. And then to glue it in the right places, you're going to have to show them. Okay, the small one goes here, the medium, and then the large. And show them, these are the ones for the A, these are for B. So you kind of need to help them along, and then take a picture or a video and send it to me. Okay? Super job, guys. Don't forget every day to count to 30, count to 20. Okay? With your family, when you're doing things around the house, when you're sitting in the bathroom, when you're in the car, when you're doing anything, practice counting. Counting to 20 and then counting backwards from 20. Great practice. Easy stuff. You can do it. And you can always get out your number chart in your binder and use that to help you. Okay? Okay, guys. I will see you later. Bye.